66 million years ago, a catastrophic event reshaped Earth's history. A massive asteroid collided with our planet, triggering widespread devastation. This impact initiated a chain of events that drastically altered global ecosystems. The environmental changes led to the extinction of the dinosaurs. This event profoundly changed the course of life's evolution on Earth. Consider an alternate reality. What if the asteroid had missed Earth entirely? The KPG extinction event was initiated by the Chicxulub impactor, a celestial body. This impactor was estimated to be between 10 to 15 kilometers in diameter. Its collision with Earth released an immense amount of energy. The energy released was equivalent to billions of atomic bombs. This catastrophic impact instantly vaporized rock at the collision site. The event resulted in the formation of a massive impact crater. Following a major impact event, the Earth experienced immediate and catastrophic consequences. Superheated ejecta, propelled into the atmosphere, began to fall back to the surface. This widespread fallout ignited global wildfires, consuming vast areas of land. Simultaneously, a massive tsunami was generated, devastating coastal regions worldwide. A powerful shockwave propagated across the planet, causing extensive structural damage. These combined phenomena led to widespread destruction and altered the Earth's environment profoundly. Catastrophic atmospheric effects can follow significant impact events or widespread wildfires. Massive amounts of dust and soot are injected into the atmosphere from these events. This atmospheric debris effectively blocks incoming sunlight from reaching Earth's surface. The blockage leads to a prolonged period of darkness and a dramatic global temperature drop. This severe climatic shift is scientifically known as an impact winter. Photosynthesis, the foundation of most ecosystems, either ceased or was severely curtailed. This critical disruption initiated a cascading collapse throughout the global food chains. Plant life, deprived of sunlight, withered and died, removing the primary food source. Herbivorous organisms, dependent on plants, subsequently starved due to lack of sustenance. The starvation of herbivores then led to the demise of large carnivorous dinosaurs. The Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event caused widespread devastation to life on Earth. 90% of all non-avian dinosaur species perished during this catastrophic period. Significant populations of marine reptiles, ammonites, and pterosaurs also faced extinction. Only smaller, more adaptable creatures managed to survive the immediate aftermath of the event. This included certain mammals and avian dinosaurs, demonstrating their resilience. The late Cretaceous period featured a lush and warm global climate. Vast inland seas characterized the geography, supporting diverse marine life. Terrestrial ecosystems were highly diverse, teeming with various species. Flowering plants, or angiosperms, were widespread and dominant across landscapes. Continents were positioned closer to their modern configurations than in earlier eras. Dinosaurs were the dominant terrestrial vertebrates across all major continents. They occupied a vast array of ecological niches, demonstrating remarkable adaptability. Their forms ranged from towering long-necked sauropods to agile, feathered predators. This diversity also included armored herbivores, showcasing their widespread ecological success. During the Age of Dinosaurs, a distinct ecological hierarchy was firmly established. Dinosaurs occupied the apex of this hierarchy, dominating various ecosystems. Mammals, though present, were generally small in stature and primarily nocturnal. They occupied marginal niches, living in the shadow of their reptilian overlords. In a hypothetical scenario where the asteroid impact was averted, the trajectory of life on Earth would be vastly different. Existing dinosaur lineages, having survived the cataclysm, would have continued their evolutionary journey. This survival would lead to ongoing diversification within their established genetic frameworks. New species would emerge, adapting to and exploiting novel ecological niches. These new forms would build upon the foundational adaptations and characteristics of their ancestors. The Earth's ecosystems would be shaped by a continuous and evolving dominance of dinosaur species. Dinosaur adaptation was driven by various evolutionary pressures throughout their existence. Significant factors included changing climates and the geological process of continental drift. Co-evolution with plants and other animal species also played a crucial role in their development. These pressures led to a broader range of specialized forms and enhanced dinosaur diversity. The KPG extinction event profoundly altered Earth's evolutionary landscape. Without this event, mammalian evolution would have followed a drastically different path. Mammals would likely have remained small in stature, as they were before the extinction. Their diets would predominantly consist of insects or a general omnivorous intake. They would have been unable to effectively compete with the dominant dinosaur forms. The absence of the KPG event would have prevented the rise of large, diverse mammalian species. Mammals expanded into larger body sizes, a key evolutionary development. This expansion allowed them to occupy diverse ecological roles. Without these opportunities, their radiation into varied forms would be improbable. The diversity seen today, from whales to humans, is a result of this expansion. Over millions of years, dinosaur lineages underwent significant evolutionary changes. Some of these lineages potentially developed increased brain-to-body ratios. This evolutionary development suggests a trend towards greater cognitive capacity. An increased brain-to-body ratio could lead to more complex social structures. It might also have enhanced their problem-solving abilities. These cognitive advancements are comparable to those observed in some modern birds. The Dinosauroid concept explores hypothetical evolutionary paths for certain dinosaurs. It suggests that small, bipedal, carnivorous dinosaurs like Troodon could have evolved further. Such evolution might include developing larger brains and opposable digits. This could have led to advanced communication and the emergence of dinosaurian intelligence. Hypothetically, intelligent dinosaur-like species could have emerged, diverging from their ancestral forms. Such species might have developed advanced tool-making capabilities, utilizing their environment effectively. They could have established complex social organizations, fostering cooperation and communication. Early forms of technology might have been developed, leading to innovations beyond simple tools. This evolutionary path would have fundamentally altered the course of planetary history and development. In a hypothetical scenario, ecosystems would remain dominated by dinosaurs. Large herbivorous dinosaurs would significantly influence plant communities through their feeding habits. Giant carnivorous dinosaurs would maintain population control over other species. The absence of mammalian megafauna would be a defining characteristic of these ecosystems. This would result in a distinct biotic landscape, different from current ecosystems. Climate patterns and continental configurations significantly influence the course of evolution. These geological and atmospheric factors drive changes in ecosystems and available resources. During certain periods, dinosaurs were the dominant life forms responding to these environmental shifts. Their widespread presence meant they were primary subjects of natural selection pressures. This led to the development of unique adaptations within various dinosaur species. These adaptations allowed dinosaurs to thrive and diversify in response to changing global conditions. The co-evolutionary arms race describes an ongoing struggle between predators and prey. This dynamic also occurred among dinosaur species, driving their evolutionary development. It led to specialization in senses, enhancing detection or evasion capabilities. Further specialization occurred in locomotion and various defense mechanisms. The KPG extinction event created a significant ecological vacuum on Earth. This vacuum provided opportunities for new species to diversify and thrive. Mammals, previously suppressed, were able to fill these newly available niches. Without the KPG extinction, this ecological opportunity for mammals would not have arisen. The subsequent rise of primates and hominids would have been highly improbable. Human existence is contingent upon a highly specific sequence of evolutionary events. This intricate path began with the radiation of mammals, a pivotal evolutionary diversification. Following this, a particular lineage developed bipedalism, the ability to walk upright on two legs. The evolution of bipedalism marked a significant shift in locomotion and adaptation. Concurrently, this lineage also underwent the development of large, complex brains. These combined evolutionary steps were essential preconditions for the emergence of humans. In a world dominated by dinosaurs, ecological niches for primate evolution would be scarce. These niches, essential for our ancestors' emergence, might not have existed. Alternatively, dinosaurian equivalents would occupy these ecological roles. This occupation would prevent the development of early primate species. Consequently, the evolution of our primate ancestors would have been hindered or impossible. Evolutionary contingency highlights the profound impact of random events on life's trajectory. A single, unpredictable occurrence can drastically alter the course of evolution. This principle suggests that life's development is not solely deterministic. Small, chance events can lead to entirely different evolutionary outcomes. Thus, the future of life on a planet is highly sensitive to contingent moments. Human existence is not an inevitable outcome of evolutionary processes. It is a product of a unique and unpredictable sequence of events. These events include significant environmental shifts and biological occurrences. Mass extinctions played a crucial role in shaping life on Earth. These catastrophic events cleared ecological niches for new life forms to emerge. Thus, human evolution is a result of specific, non-deterministic historical contingencies. History is often shaped by a series of interconnected events and long-term trends. However, certain moments stand out as singular, decisive turning points. These pivotal moments can dramatically alter the course of life, societies, or entire civilizations. They are characterized by their immediate and profound impact, often unforeseen at the time. Such instances can trigger a cascade of consequences, redirecting established trajectories. Thus, the history of life can indeed turn on a single, critical moment.